Owning just 10 Nvidia shares could change everything for most investors' financial future. This isn't just any tech stock. Nvidia is leading the charge in AI and high-performance computing, industries that are growing faster than anyone expected. What's so powerful about Nvidia that experts are calling it the next big tech giant? Let's dive in and see why these 10 shares will be the smartest move you'll ever make in your lifetime. First off, this isn't just any tech stock. It's the tech stock right now. The company's work in artificial intelligence, gaming, and chip manufacturing is making it a leader, not just in hype, but in pure, solid results. Their chips are running the coolest tech out there, everything from high-end gaming consoles to data centers that power the cloud. Companies like Amazon, Meta, and Google rely on these advanced graphics processors. And guess what? They're not stopping. If anything, the ramp up with the new Blackwell chip means they're only getting started. Before we delve into this, it's clear that Nvidia's future impact goes beyond what anyone could have predicted. And this won't be the only thing that will shock you. Now let's keep it real. Some might think tech stocks are just bubbles waiting to burst. But that's missing the bigger picture. The current lineup isn't just a bunch of products, it's shaping the future of how our world functions. The AI advancements we're seeing are fueled by companies like this one, and they're not about to hit the brakes. The company's chips are being picked as favorites by analysts, not because of brand loyalty, but because of the driving force behind AI growth. We're looking at projections of 40 to 60% growth in the coming years. No small potatoes here. We're talking about billions, and a demand that's showing no signs of slowing down. If you think buying into this company is about getting into a risky hype train, think again. The world is moving towards generative AI, the kind that can create text, art, and even music, and their hardware is at the center of it all. The experts say that this boom isn't just about tech enthusiasts, it's about big corporations pouring money into new capabilities. They're spending $280 billion on data centers and cloud systems, and this company's chips are the brains behind that infrastructure. Imagine investing in a company with chips running the next version of Siri, Alexa, or even ChatGPT. You're not just investing in a stock, you're putting your money where the future is being made. Let's talk about why this tech giant should be in your pocket rather than just in some analyst's report. Blackwell. This isn't just a buzzword. It's the latest chip that has analysts buzzing because of its raw power and what it could mean for the market. We're talking about performance that outstrips the older versions by miles. Piper Sandler rates this stock as a top pick, and it's not based on feelings. It's all about results and market confidence. Remember how Apple grew after the first few iPhones? The story here is no different. Those who hold shares could be on the brink of seeing the same kind of explosive rise. But here's what's really exciting: the potential for small-scale investors like us. Forget about high-rolling hedge funds for a second. If you have a couple of shares, you're still in the game. This company is accessible, and that's the beauty of it. You don't have to own 100 shares to make some serious gains. 10 shares might seem small, but with the projections on growth and influence, those shares could multiply in value faster than any average index fund or traditional stock pick. When you have a company leading AI, gaming, and tech, three of the fastest growing industries, you're not investing in just another stock. You're buying into a movement. And before you think, oh, the growth is probably slowing down, it's actually the opposite. The numbers are telling us that the excitement around this tech giant isn't just hype. It's a solid foundation of expanding market share, big tech companies relying on its hardware, and strong revenue projections. The competition is playing catch up, while this company is already setting the bar higher with new tech. While the rest of the market is trying to figure out where the next big growth will come from, they are creating it. With AI and fast-moving trends, this company stands out as more than just another tech stock. It's a solid choice for long-term growth. Look at the larger picture. Inflation's high, the market's uncertain, but this company has consistently proven to be a rock-solid player in the tech world. The prices may fluctuate day to day. They always do. But if you think big and plan long-term, those 10 shares could mean you're sitting on a gold mine a few years from now. If you're someone who's interested in seeing solid returns, especially in uncertain economic times, then this stock should absolutely be on your radar. They have a vision that's about more than just staying ahead. They want to own the future of tech, and anyone holding shares will reap those rewards. Sure, the tech market has its ups and downs, and this stock isn't immune to that, but think of it like this. Every time there's a dip, it's a buying opportunity. This isn't about playing the market like a slot machine. This is about getting in while you still can, and letting your investment grow as they grow their influence. The AI race isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's getting even more intense, and companies are lining up to spend whatever it takes to stay ahead. That means good news for this tech leader and great news for their shareholders. Rewind a bit. Remember how Tesla shares skyrocketed when EVs began to gain traction? We're at a similar juncture here, except instead of electric cars, it's the AI boom. Their technology is central to that boom. Not to mention the gaming division, which continues to innovate and expand, further solidifying their role as a leader in the field. They're not just resting on past achievements, they're innovating and growing, making it one of the smartest moves you could make right now. But we're not done yet. There's a whole lot more about this company that most investors don't realize. Take a closer look at their role in the development of autonomous driving systems. Their drive platform is a critical part of what is becoming the future of transportation. Autonomous vehicles are already being tested and used on roads today, and the chips powering that technology, they're coming from this tech giant. The same way Tesla dominated the electric vehicle market, they are setting themselves up to dominate the self-driving technology market. The drive platform integrates deep learning, sensor fusion, and surround vision, creating a virtual driver that could ultimately change transportation forever. Imagine a world where taxis drive themselves and entire logistics fleets operate without human drivers. This company's chips are making that world possible, and early investors will be able to cash in on this shift. Now, consider their role in the gaming industry. The GeForce GPUs are essentially the gold standard in graphics for gaming enthusiasts. They're pushing boundaries not only for regular gamers, but also for competitive esports players who demand the highest quality performance from their machines. Gaming isn't a niche market anymore. It's a billion-dollar industry that rivals the movie business. Whether it's powering the next generation consoles or virtual reality experiences, this company's right there at the cutting edge. More importantly, they're cashing in on it. The revenue from gaming isn't just helping them maintain profits, it's allowing them to innovate even further. When you buy shares, you're buying into a piece of this ever-growing entertainment phenomenon. And let's not forget about the booming cloud computing sector. Cloud computing is the backbone of almost every major business operation today, from data storage to running software applications. This company has been a huge part of this shift, providing the GPUs that make cloud processing not only possible, but extremely efficient. Their work with data centers is already legendary, and it's only growing as more businesses make the shift to the cloud. Companies like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud are already using these queues to offer high-performance computing power to their clients. This is a major revenue driver for them, and the potential here is far from being fully realized. As more enterprises adopt cloud solutions, their involvement ensures that they are well positioned to capture a big slice of this growing pie. Another major point of interest is their role in cryptocurrency mining. Even though the crypto market is known for its volatility, one constant has been their position as a provider of choice for crypto miners. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum require vast amounts of computing power, and these GPUs are well suited for the job. The crypto market might fluctuate, but the need for advanced hardware is never going away as long as blockchain technology continues to evolve. This gives them a foothold in yet another emerging market, making it a multifaceted powerhouse in tech. Even if crypto isn't your thing, the underlying technology and their role in it is impossible to ignore. After seeing their success in gaming and AI, let's look at their powerful impact on healthcare and robotics.
Artificial intelligence is changing the way so many industries operate, and healthcare, which is more than 17% of the U.S. GDP, could show significant change in patient care as a result.
Speaking of innovation, this tech giant has been making major waves in the healthcare sector too. Their Clara platform is an advanced computing platform designed specifically for the healthcare and life sciences industries. Think about it. AI that helps diagnose medical conditions, analyzes complex data, and assists in groundbreaking research. We're talking about a tech company stepping into a role where it could quite literally save lives. Clara's integration into medical imaging and genomics is a game changer, allowing allowing doctors to make faster, more accurate diagnoses. If you're still questioning their future, just remember they're not just transforming how we play games or drive cars. They're transforming how we manage healthcare, a sector that's only going to grow in importance. Now, here's another big ticket item: Nvidia's influence on robotics. Robotics is a field that's becoming increasingly relevant, not only in manufacturing, but also in day-to-day life. The Jetson platform is specifically designed for AI at the edge, providing the computational power needed for robots to navigate and interact with their environment. Picture robots that can perform tasks like delivering packages, helping in household chores, or even performing complex surgeries. This technology is making that possible, and the early stages are already here. You don't have to look far into the future to see the massive implications. Industries ranging from logistics to healthcare are starting to use robotic solutions, and this tech is right at the key of this transformation. And how about the Omniverse platform? Omniverse is a tool that allows designers, engineers, and creators to collaborate in real time in a shared virtual space. It's not just another piece of software, it's the future of digital collaboration. Imagine the implications for industries like architecture, entertainment, and even education. Designers can work together across different continents as if they were in the same room, tweaking and perfecting 3D models or virtual worlds. The small Omniverse is essentially laying the groundwork for the metaverse, and the company's involvement means they're helping to build the digital worlds of tomorrow.
The way we compute is fundamentally different. We created a processor for the generative AI era. And one of the most important parts of it is content token generation.
If there's a company that's literally creating the future of human interaction and design, it's this one. And as an investor, you could be a part of that path. Another market this company is targeting is telecommunication. The upcoming 5G boom is all about speed, connectivity, and lower latency. And these GPUs are set to play a big role in making 5G technology truly revolutionary. Telecommunication companies are looking to leverage AI and edge computing to enhance their services, and this tech is going to be instrumental in that. Whether it's optimizing network performance, enabling new AR/VR applications, or managing connected devices, the impact on telecommunications will be substantial. This means even more avenues for growth and more reasons why owning shares is a smart long-term play. Even in education, they have a role to play as more learning takes place online. Particularly since the rise of remote education during the pandemic, the demand for advanced hardware and virtual environments has skyrocketed. These GPUs and the Omniverse platform can enhance the educational experience, providing realistic simulations and immersive learning opportunities. Imagine medical students practicing surgeries in a virtual operating room, or engineering students designing and testing projects in a virtual lab. This technology is not just making these scenarios possible, it's setting the standard for what education can look like in the digital age. And don't overlook the partnerships formed. They're not working in isolation, they're collaborating with some of the biggest names across industries. Partnerships with automakers like Mercedes-Benz, collaborations with cloud service providers like Amazon, and joint ventures in healthcare technology all add up to a network that makes this company even more formidable. These partnerships mean that they aren't just relying on their products to succeed, they're integrating their technology into multiple sectors, ensuring growth and resilience. When you buy shares, you're buying a stake in a company that is working alongside other industry leaders to push the envelope of what technology can do. The financials are also incredibly solid. This company is not just about exciting technology, they're also delivering in terms of earnings and profitability. Their revenue has seen year-over-year growth with impressive profit margins that other tech companies would envy. This isn't a company that's bleeding cash while trying to invent the next big thing. It's profitable, and they're reinvesting those profits into further innovation. They've got a strong balance sheet, which means they're in a position to weather any market downturns and come out even stronger. When you consider the growth potential along with a sound financial foundation, it becomes a very compelling choice. With their breakthroughs in robotics and cloud computing, their influence reaches even further than we've covered so far. Think about where technology is headed. AI, automation, smart cities, autonomous vehicles, advanced healthcare solutions, gaming, and virtual reality. This company is in every one of those spaces, and they're leading in many of them. It's rare to find a company that is not only well diversified, but is also a leader in each area they operate in. This diversification doesn't just mitigate risk, it amplifies growth potential. When one sector struggles, another picks up the slack, and this company is right there at the intersection of all these exciting technological advancements.
The rate at which we're advancing computing is insane. Over the course of the last 8 years, we've increased computation by 1,000 times. 8 years, 1,000 times.
When we consider the future, one thing is clear. They aren't just following trends, they're setting them. This company has a knack for identifying where the next big opportunities are and positioning themselves to dominate those spaces. From the Omniverse to autonomous driving, from AI chips to gaming GPUs, their influence stretches across so many areas of life and work. It's a company with a vision that's as expansive as it is ambitious. Owning shares means owning a slice of that vision. And as the world becomes more connected, more automated, and more digitally driven, their role is only going to grow. If you're trying to decide whether to invest, let me make it simple for you. This company isn't just part of the tech industry. It's a powerhouse that's driving major changes across several fields, whether it's healthcare, transportation, or entertainment. Their technology is at the heart of it all. They are pioneering the use of artificial intelligence in ways that make it easy for everyday people to benefit from. Plus, they are setting up the technological groundwork that will influence the next 50 years. Investing in this company is like planting a seed in fertile ground. You're likely to see significant growth as they continue to innovate and expand. Nvidia's technology is touching almost everything that's about to explode in popularity. We're talking about AI competitions, virtual realities like the Metaverse, the surge in video gaming, autonomous vehicles, smarter robots, and revolutionary healthcare technologies. There's a big chance to cash in on these sectors because Nvidia's products are becoming fundamental to our daily lives. They're going to be in every living room, every workplace, and every server room. If you're serious about investing, Nvidia is a smart bet.
In May of 2023, it hit $1 trillion. And at the time, people were starting to realize that if AI was a gold rush, Nvidia was the one making the shovel.
They're not just participating in the future, they're actively shaping it. Investing in Nvidia means you're teaming up with a company that's leading the way in tech innovation. They're not just about making smarter machines, they're weaving artificial intelligence, AI, into our everyday lives in ways we're only starting to grasp. Imagine having virtual doctors who can diagnose you quickly and accurately, or sitting in a car that drives itself while you relax, or playing video games that are so real it feels like you're right inside the action. Nvidia is behind all these advancements. It's quite unusual to find a company that touches so many aspects of our lives, crafting products that will soon be staples in every home and office. This goes beyond a mere tech investment. It's a stake in the future of our daily living and working environments. If you want your investment dollars to do more than just grow, if you want them to be part of sparking a tech revolution, then Nvidia is the choice for you. With Nvidia, you're not just buying into a company, you're investing in a vision of the future. Their role in advancing AI is setting the stage for breakthroughs in multiple sectors. AI is already transforming healthcare with tools that help doctors make faster, more accurate decisions. It's revolutionizing transportation with a self-driving technology that promises safer, more efficient roads. And in entertainment, Nvidia is pushing the boundaries with graphics so detailed and lifelike that they blur the line between game and reality. Each of these areas offers tremendous growth potential, and Nvidia is at the heart of it all, providing the technology that powers these innovations. Is Nvidia the future of tech wealth, or is it just another overhyped stock? Tell us what you think, and remember to like and subscribe for more.